Today, every organization is part of an interconnected and interdependent web of global collaboration. We are moving towards a hyper-connected world that is also more volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous. Organizations need to build a new layer of resilience across their workforce, factories, services, products, and customer engagements. Technology is vital to build resilience. With our Thinking Breakthroughs approach, we enable technology-led business outcomes that help you adapt your existing services and products, help you co-create new products and solutions that help you lead, help you sustain your business advantage through a culture of continuous improvement and innovation. Reimagine business resilience.